Dallas tempered by devastating hailstorm and strong winds. North Texas endured a dramatic and costly storm on the evening of Sunday, June 8th, as massive hail, gale-force winds, and relentless rain battered the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Hailfall like baseballs. Residents witnessed hailstones reaching softball and even grapefruit size, with numerous reports of 3.5-inch lumps from Denton County to Flower Mound and Rockwall. In Bartonville, a resident shared a photo of a hailstone approximately 3.5 across, nearly golf ball size, while in Rockwall, hail piled in drifts like snow. Widespread damage. The storm shattered car windows, dented roofs, cracked solar panels, and damaged air conditioning units. According to roofer Travis Rodenbaugh, this was the most severe damage he's seen in nearly a decade. The only thing comparable is back in 2016 in McKinney, baseball-sized hail. The whole roof is destroyed. Power outages and flight delays. Tens of thousands of Encore utility customers lost power through Sunday night. Flight delays and cancellations rippled through DFW and Love Field. Over 550 delays at DFW and 80 cancellations. Love Field faced nearly 140 delays and 20 cancellations. Wind gusts and flash flooding. Recorded winds reached around 60 miles per hour in Fort Worth, knocking down trees and blocking roads. Flash flood warnings were issued for Dallas County, compounding the storm's impact. Magnifying glass tilted left what caused this rare June storm. While large hail is uncommon in early summer, unseasonably volatile atmospheric conditions prevailed. A powerful cold front swept south into warmed, moisture-laden air, triggering strong convective storms. Experts pinpointed significant wind shear and uplift, enabling storms to produce violent winds, large hail, and potential tornadoes. Calendar storm amid a volatile pattern. Dallas has endured recent storm surges throughout June. Earlier in the week, a stalled cold front produced heavy rain and non-severe storms. This weekend's event was just one in a series of clusters, with further severe risk expected Monday and into midweek. Danger posed and takeaways. Massive hail dented homes and vehicles. Estimate insurance claims rising. Tree damage and flash flooding pose safety and transportation risks. Travel disruption, with flight delays and cancellations, highlighted airborne consequences. Potential tornadoes accompanied the storms, requiring continued vigilance. Local authorities advise. Inspect property and prioritize repairs for roofs, vehicles, AC units, solar panels. Report power issues and heed utility/restoration guidelines. Watch for continued severe weather into early Monday or Tuesday. Megaphone final reflections. The June 8th hailstorm and wind event stands out as one of the most intense early summer storms in recent memory, drawing comparisons to 2016's McKinney hail event. Residents should remain on alert as a volatile pattern continues through midweek. Don't forget to subscribe around the world and remain with us for more updates.